like.
We're boarding.
What? Sorry. You have my passport back, right? That's just so dramatic. Oh my god.
What do you mean undramatic?
I didn't go.
You want me to cut you with aluminum foil? Exactly. Just ask for what you need. Yeah. I told you to say
Make your money, girl. Okay.
I said, do I have your passport?
I love that man. Let's go. Oh, hi guys.
Guys,
Where we at?
shop Chrome.
No. We are in Zanzibar.
What is Zanzibar?
Lego.
Graduates this summer.
But it's orange.
Yeah. Say, let me see. I love it.
This one.
That's $2.50 a pop. We're this way. I take one for my sister-in-law.
Beautiful. Period. No, the yellow ones and them ones.
I don't have that. Whether it's move.
I look at this little.
I didn't know they had humps here too.
Yeah, they would have different ones.
Yeah, I thought those were only the ones in India.
I'm a bracelet, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, I'm getting this for Melanie. That's very cute. We have like 2 days here, so we have to live it up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hold on a minute.
Yeah, this is
And this is my...
Papa.
This is a vacation.
Second day, we moving in. Third day, we getting married.
They're getting and the sister's a queer guy. Yeah. So I'm in a good hand.
We're not the blind. She's the blind.
Good family. Oh my gosh, yes. If you guys knew what went through.
But we are here. I think so. Jumbo. Yeah, we've been speaking Swahili like we're some natives. Well, we were born in Tanzania, but you know, Swahili is small. Lily.
Send in it, or clean it.
Oh, people eat those. They do?
Oh yeah, people eat them.
Yep. That one's plum. Oh, here, right here? Yeah. Stay away from that. Ah! Sorry. Are you even sorry? I'm very much sorry.
You're not sorry.
Wow.
Whoa.
I'm the mule right now, look at me. There's another shell here.
Is it? That one don't look pretty, I don't care.
This one's a like.
I mean, I tried to fetch water for the.
You got 2 glasses on. Hey, you mate.
We just didn't stop right here.
So that's cute.
We get our fish from you.
Commit a crime and I'll be your defender. Overpower me so that I surrender. I envy your hipster. Lakini kushika kama pie. Kila siku nakufikiri. Nasinzia nikikuwaza. Utafanya nitafuata. Ukichora 8, ukichora 7. Wow.
It looks like different places.
Oh yeah, I have dresses.
It looks like different places depending on what shade of blue you're at. The one I'm wearing.
Okay, welcome small paradise here.
Thank you, thank you. You want chef?
Okay.
I can't lose when I'm with you. In the drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. This argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day 1. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here, I'm saying.